This is Jake. He lives in a small town. Jake is poor, but he has a big dream.
One day, I will be rich. I will work hard.
Jake works at a small grocery store. He cleans the floor and helps customers. The job is not easy, but Jake never complains. Every day, Jake wakes up early. He goes to work on time. He is kind and helpful.
Thank you, young man. It's so nice to see someone keeping this place spotless.
Thank you, I appreciate that. Looking good, Jake.
Jake feels happy, but he wants more. At night, Jake learns new skills. He watches videos and reads books. He learns about business.
I want to start my own business. Not enough. I need more than this.
He saves money every week. He does not spend on useless things. After 1 year, Jake starts a small food cart. He sells hot dogs and drinks. At first, it is hard.
I will not stop. I will try again tomorrow.
Slowly, more people come. They like his food and his smile. After a few years, Jake has a big restaurant. Many people work for him now. Jake is now rich and owns many restaurants, but he is still kind and humble.
This food is amazing.
Thank you. I worked very hard for this.
Jake's story teaches us something important. If you work hard, learn new things, and never give up, you can reach your dream.
Start small, dream big, and keep working.